Welcome to Weekly Market Research from Fullerton Markets. Let's dive into the latest market trends and insights. EUR-USD President Trump is pushing ahead with a plan to impose 15-20% tariffs on EU imports starting August 1st, pressuring the EU into a new trade deal. While negotiations continue, the EU is preparing a strong response, including possible counter-tariffs worth 72 billion euros. Behind the scenes, EU officials are aligning with other affected nations and working to boost internal resilience. One possible compromise is lowering car import tariffs on both sides. The EU currently charges 10% on US cars, while the US imposes up to 25%. The auto sector is already feeling the heat, with Volvo reporting a sharp profit drop due to trade uncertainty. In 2024, EU-US trade hit 1.68 trillion euros, nearly 30% of global trade. But with Trump showing no sign of backing down, the August deadline could set the stage for a serious trade showdown. EUR-USD on weekly chart. Pair has broken above the weekly minor resistance at 1.1250 and is now midway toward the key resistance at 1.2250. We believe fundamental developments will determine whether EUR-USD enters the yellow zone or the green zone for the rest of 2025. Ether, ETH surged 2% to $3,506, outperforming Bitcoin after President Trump signed the Genius Act, the first major U.S. crypto law focused on stable coins. ETH ETFs saw record inflows, surpassing Bitcoin ETFs led by BlackRock's Ether. Ether is up 43.6% in 2 weeks, its best run since 2021, signaling a possible shift in crypto market leadership. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dipped 1% and related stocks like MicroStrategy fell. Another major bill, the Clarity Act, also passed the House and heads to the Senate, marking a milestone week for U.S. crypto regulation. ETH-USD on daily chart. Price has broken above the minor resistance at $3,000 and is now halfway toward the key resistance at $4,000. Upcoming decisions from the U.S. will be the main catalyst determining whether this cryptocurrency has a correction or rally. Gold. Gold edged up 0.3% on Friday, but is set for a slight weekly loss as strong U.S. economic data and eased fears over Fed independence limit gains. Gold stands at $3,349, down 0.2% for the week. The dollar is on its second weekly rise, weighing on gold. Platinum, meanwhile, neared an 11-year high. While Trump criticized Fed policy, he denied plans to fire Chair Powell. Analysts say solid U.S. data caps gold's upside, but expectations for rate cuts continue to support its long-term trend. XAU-USD on daily chart. After forming a double bottom and triple top pattern, gold is currently range-bound within a channel. Price is holding above the support at $3,170 and struggling to break past the resistance at $3,430. While waiting for a breakout confirmation, take advantage of the range by selling near resistance and buying near support. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these market shifts and their potential future impacts. We are Fullerton Markets.